Do you know the ideal choice for level measurement in tanks, vessels, and other containers? Feejoy Technology Magnetic Level Gauge is suitable for the medium level detection of various tanks, spherical vessels and boilers. The product has a wide range of applications: corrosion resistance, remote transmission, and local display and switch analog with advantages of 3-in-1 detect, ion function. You can choose liquid level gauges of different materials, according to different working environment and TS. Feejoy Technology provides you with one-stop process detection and control system services to ACHI, EV equipment data collection, real-time monitoring and optimization of the production process. Your exclusive intelligent sensor solution expert, Feejoy Technology.